This promotional video showcases Simflight's newest addition to its Elite Air Trainer series of desktop flight training devices. The AT-1000 is a replica G1000 training solution. This training device is only available for Australia and South Pacific customers. Outside of this region, please contact Elite Simulation Solutions. Their contact details in the description below. The AT-1000 was designed to both complement existing AT-11i customers as an add-on unit and also as a new device. Before looking at the unit in more detail, I'd like to quickly revise the GNSS system here in Australia. Unlike our more lucky Northern Hemisphere friends, there is no ASBAS in the Southern Hemisphere. Australia and New Zealand will be the first to receive ASBAS services for aviation in the next few years, with the rollout of SouthPAN. Until then, the best we can achieve for 3D approaches to a decision altitude is LNAV VNAV using Barrow VNAV. Our replica G1000 was modified to meet this particular RMP requirement for this region. So now let's look at the unit in more detail. The unit is a powder-coated metal enclosed construction designed to fit over the Elite Pro Panel yoke console as used in our popular AT-11i training device. The Elite Pro Panel is a well-designed and robust metal construction well suited for flight school environments. The unique build feature of the AT-1000 is that it can be used with other control devices if so desired. In the front of the unit, we have the replica G1000 PFD, MFD, and audio panel. The panel hardware is backlit with a dimming rheostat and can be varied. The autopilot control on the PFD and MFD is based on the GFC 700. The rotary encoders used are high quality for flight school durability. The G1000 software is reverse engineered based on the G1000 NXI. To keep costs down, to make the AT-1000 the lowest price on the market, some compromises were done, such as leaving off TCAS, TORS, and synthetic vision. But these will be added in due course. Below the G1000 hardware is the standby instruments, modelled on the MD302 standby attitude module by Mid-Continent Avionics. Down here, we have the GA headset sockets for the ICS system between student pilot and instructor. An instructor operating station is included with the certified AT-1000 unit. On the left side of the unit, we have screw holes to mount a RAM mount for EFB use. A 5-volt USB charging port is included, and on the right side is provision to mount our flexible gooseneck light. On top of the unit, there is provision to mount an Elite replica wet compass, and more about these options later. On the back of the unit are 2 large hatches, allowing easy access to the inside for any maintenance, as well as removing packing material when you first receive the unit. The right hatch also has a toolkit included. In the middle is a plug panel for hooking up the provided video, USB, intercom, and power leads. There is a fused switch included. Okay, so let's have a look at the options available. There are 3 options available with the Simflight AT-1000 training device. These are provision for mounting a RAM mount so that you can fit an iPad mini or similar tablet for EFB use. Pre-drilled M4 threads are provided in the universal AMPS hole pattern. You can supply your own RAM mount, or we can supply for you. We can also supply an iPad mini mounting plate to attach to the RAM mount. Of course, you can supply your own. Also available is a flexible gooseneck style light. This light has both white and red light selection. Or of course, you can add your own light. Finally, there is the Elite Replica Standby Wet Compass. This has the onus overread north, underread south behavior, giving instructors an easy method of teaching that characteristic. The AT-1000, the best priced G1000 training solution for your flight school. A demo video is available to view, link in the description below. Okay, let's have a look now at how to mount the AT-1000 to the Pro panel. Let's have a look at how to mount the AT-1000 unit to the Elite Pro Panel yoke console. Here we've got the Pro Panel 3. Prior to attaching the AT-1000 unit to the Pro Panel, you need to remove the center screw on each side. That's the center screws holding the cover, and the center screw holding the cover in the middle. The rest of the screws remain where they are, holding the cover in place. Just those 3 screws need to be removed. Also have your wiring harness ready to go. Power, 3 HDMIs, one for the PFD, MFD, and the standby instruments, and the USB in. All right, let's lift the AT-1000 unit so you can see it can be easily held, easily moved into place. Slide it over the yoke panel, line it up with the hole, and then using the included knurled screws, screw the unit down, 1 in the front and 2 on the sides. Connect the cables up and the unit is ready to go.